How are you? I love your look today.
Well,
very pretty.
well, thanks.
So Liz, where are you from?
Well, you know, that's such a complicated question for me, personally.
Well, your area code, I'm a freak. I Google area codes. And
That's
yours
cool.
is North Carolina.
Yes.
P.
And that's...
Pablo, North Carolina, get your hands up. Do you know that song? No. Yes, you do. You listen to rap and smoke blunts. Don't lie to me. You're from North Carolina. Of course you do. You eat barbecue chicken, smoke blunts.
You're right. You're
Beat the
barbecue
bitches.
chicken and blunts. It's just match made.
So, in your picture, what are you laying on? Is it? I really wrote a note. I go, what is she laying on? Did she? Is it wood? Did she get a splinter?
Yes. Yes.
No, you didn't.
I did. Oh my gosh, it was terrible.
I'm like, she's laying on wood. Did this girl get a splinter? I was concerned for your health.
No, it's so much worse. It was like a pile of wood, and it was this photographer, and he was like, "This is great. Let's take a picture here." I'm climbing in heels on this pile of wood.
I love it. I love it. The things we do, right?
I know. I'm like, this better be a good picture.
It really is a beautiful picture of you.
Thank you.
It's intense. Do you drink?
I do.
Do you drug?
No.
Why did that take so long?
It was
Why did that take so long?
Question.
Let me find out you're freebasing. You're too pretty to be doing drugs. You don't do drugs. How are you with nudity?
Being nude or being around nude?
No, me being nude.
Be
in
nude.
front of you.
Be free.
Because
out.
you know, and that really might seem like a very odd question, but like my birthday, I'm a drag queen. I also do drag. So it would be you helping me put on the corset. Help me pull up my pantyhose. I can only lift my legs so high, honey. And that is really a big part of what this is.
I dress all my friends anyway.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I love fashion.
Okay. Have you ever? This is. I'm not even gonna ask. I can't even ask this other question. I'm not asking it.
Ask a question.
Have you ever heard of asshole bleaching? And do you think I should have it done?
I can't believe you asked for that.
You know what? You know what? And this is really, like, this has nothing to do with the cameras. Seriously, I really want to have my asshole bleached.
Why?
I want to look in the mirror and see a beautiful little pink eye winking back at me. I'm tired of that bad old brown
Yeah, but
eye.
I heard it hurts. Like,
Does
as far
it
as the
hurt?
well, as far as like, you know, obviously I know they first
Did
have
they
to
wax it? Well, I can handle that.
Really?
Oh, come on. Who hasn't had a Brazilian?
I haven't had a Brazilian.
You're
I'm
a
too
liar.
Scared. I'm too
You're
scared.
fuzzy down there.
I'm too scared.
I'm in love, producer.
I'm way too scared.
Okay. So would you do it? Would you do it personally? I want to do it. Would you do it to me?
I would do it with you before I did it to you.
Okay. You can wear gloves. Bring your merkin.
Oh, required. Whatever that is.
Bring your merkin.
Is that something I Google later?
Yeah, but don't tell anyone I told you about it. Okay, so I got to tell you, just before I move on, you really have just great energy. You're so
great.
much fun.
Oh, good.
I really like you. You're not what I expected.
Ooh, what did you expect?
Well, let me read your leadership. President, University Christian Fellowship. Christian
So did you think I was going to be uptight and boring?
Are you Christian?
I am,
So
yeah.
you're uptight and boring.
You said you liked
Hey,
my
but you're
energy.
okay with the gays.
Of course I am.
Well,
Everybody has their own
many
cool
different
story.
things.
Absolutely.
But
Everybody
you're
has a
okay
cool
with the gays,
story.
but are you okay with the gays?
Right here.
Are you really?
Right here. Absolutely. I've
High
had so
five
many.
for Christian
I've had
girl.
so many gay
Are you a
friends.
lesbian?
No, I'm not.
She's too beautiful to be a lesbian. Your hair color is beautiful, by the way.
Well, thank
that
you.
was the question on the leg.
Well, it cost me birth. That's about it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's natural?
Of course. Yeah.
You're a liar.
I'm not. No.
Turn this
You know,
way.
and a lot of people actually
You're a
ask me if I
liar.
diet, and I wonder, does
Oh
it
my
look
God.
good?
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. It
I-
looks perfect.
well,
I just never seen anyone with it. The colors are just so perfect.
Well,
I can't believe
thanks.
that's natural.
Yeah. I just feel like people with dyed red hair always have kind of a purplish sheen, and I'm going,
are
do
you
I have
saying
that
something,
sheen?
biatch? Are you
Okay,
saying?
okay, not that color, right? You know, people that go for like the natural color.
Your hair color is beautiful.
Thanks,
Yeah, you're
thank
really
you.
beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, I have to tell you, I have sat in 5-6 interviews today. You're intimidating.
Really?
I'm a little intimidated by you.
Really? Let's get past that. Let's work through that.
You're a little. I feel like I'm the one who has to break the ice this time. Like she has to have me tell a personal story about myself. Like I have to do
about
something.
you,
Let's talk about me because you're intimidating.
Really?
You are.
Very confident.
Do you feel that?
Yes.
You're very
Ah.
intimidating.
Wow.
Everyone else, it was like break them down.
Really?
Well, no, it wasn't break them down. It was like they were very, and I had to talk about personal stories. And
Yeah.
you were just, I feel like we've known each other forever.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like we dated in high school. You turned me gay. Bring that back to your Christians,
never want to
honey.
be that girl. You never want to be that girl. Oh my gosh.
Any other questions, you guys?
I'm good.
I'm in love. Can you tell? I think that you have really, and this is honestly, you have pleasantly surprised me.
Well, great.
You are not
Good.
what I thought. And if you do get this job, I'll buy you a Merkin.
You won't want him to.
Okay, don't. I trust you. I
you
trust
really are. You're wonderful. You're not what I expected.
Well, we can, do asshole bleaching together and just make it happen.
She even said asshole.
Oh my God.
Stop the interviews. This is the one. And she's beautiful. Ben, I love her. Give me the other rest of it. It's official. You're my favorite. I'm going to say it out
I'll
loud.
put you right over the top, honey.
You said asshole in an interview. We're soulmates. We're soulmates.
Great.
You bitch, I love you.
Well,
Well,
let's do this.
thank you so much for interviewing.
Absolutely, sure.
Great. I think we're good, right? Jose, do you want to ask anything?
Jose, anything?
He's so
Jose's
disturbed.
appalled by
He's so
assholes.
disturbed.
Jose never wants to hear the word asshole again.
He's so
Great. I think we're good.
Okay, wonderful.
Thank you so much. It really was a pleasure.
you.
Thank
It
you.
was.
That was fun.
It was. What do I do with all this stuff?
Just,
I'll
yeah.
take care of it out there.
Oh, okay.